Gather round, folks, I give you all the lowdown. It's a mess, too. Tables were filled with gaudy frails chewing on their fingernails. They were waiting for the man from Harlem. Everybody's nerves were getting jumpy. You know, people thought of privilege like all at once the room was filled, men forgot all about the bill. Who should enter but the man from Harlem? Someone hollered music, lights, and gin. Come on, let's get out here. Everybody cleared his space. They had big broad smiles on every face. How they all loved to see